called Disco Flash. Look out, dear, look out! There's a lot more smoke than there was last time. We missed the first few. But yeah, you're gonna have to see this on my phone. It's actually showing up. Take a look here. Do you see those 9 red flashes? Weird. Now lighting the aircraft carrier. That's it.
Recording?
Climbing Panda.
It's working.
Whoa, that was neat.
I didn't know it did that.
I don't think it did last year. The King Claw.
Come on.
Remember, this thing's got wheels. That were the fuses?
Got it.
I thought it had wheels. It's not acting like it has wheels. That was just as lame as I thought. The Friendship Pagoda. I heard it gets bigger, so... Oh, whoa!
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, that's probably worth $3.50.
I think it's still going.
Nope. Friendship Flower. And of course, that's assuming your friends are smokers. Okay, we got a little tank here.
It's upside down.
Is it a dud? Oh. It's upside down, you say?
The tail end had a rocket and it flipped it over.
Yellow duck. I've been looking forward to this one. Hopefully not in vain. Look out! It almost got your pant leg on fire. Are you nuts? Killer bee! This is loud! Cover your ears, Buggy! Well, I remembered it being loud. Yeah, there we go. Jumping jacks. Now, that's a lot cooler than when you broke the last one. The cuckoo! I'm trying to film you. Yet another killer bee! It does look a bit more epic, yeah, when you waggle it around. This one's called a supercar.
The nuts!
Jade flower.
I got the jade, it's green.
Yep. Now it's not green.
That must be the flower part.
Butterfly and flower.
butterfly.
Is that flower?
Yeah.
Yeah, because butterflies don't do that. Bee again. Keep it away from the truck. Grand Prix race car. Light it. I guess it wasn't done when I thought it was.
Nope.
Ground flowers.
I'm gonna do what they did, so stay back.
No, my Jack!
Hi, garbage can.
Hen laying eggs.
Don't stay back, 'cause that means it's gonna kick something out.
I know. Supercar. I don't know why it's called supercar. It seems super lame. Killer bee again. Concord Boys Jet. Shite! Sucker's loud. Another dumb little tank. Frick! There goes my eardrums. Hey, whoa, it's doing that disco flower thing. That was nice. Goldfish! On top of a used fountain.
It's still lame.
Yep. Supercar! I wouldn't hold it, I really wouldn't.
It got hot.
Yeah? Golden Flowers Fountain. By the way, we're picking them at random out of a bag. Speed Racer, the horse.
Hey, it moved.
A little bit. And another dumb tank, aka disappointment. Is there a single one of them that doesn't, like, not work right? The goal is to confuse the enemy. Laying eggs again. Really? Ground flowers again. Honestly, those are my favorite. Whistling chaser. Cover your ears, Jack. This one's loud.
Is it gonna light or not?
Is that the right end? Whoa!
Yep.
More ground flowers. Love those suckers. I was beginning to wonder if that was a dud. What should we name this firework? Oh, I don't know. Font, I guess. Hey, that's not bad for a crappy name.
Okay, get it.
Okay, it's a font, alright. Cripes. Noisy boys. Cover your ears, Jack. I think it's gonna be loud. Oh, isn't this that one that he said takes forever? Honestly, I just call that super snap. A lot of smoke for one little thing. I'm glad I don't have asthma. A lot of smoke for that sucker. Oh, now my eyes are burning. Are your eyes burning? Because my eyes are burning. Crackling ball. Hey, wow, that's not bad. Thought it was gonna be like a smoke bomb or something. I heard you, Jack. We're gonna go home. We're almost done. Ground bloom flowers, and he lit the entire package. Whoa! You should not have done that! You really should not have done that! I think you wasted them. He found 2 ground bloom flowers that hadn't gone off yet when he set the whole package on fire. And these are the last ones. End of the show. Have a good night, everybody. And like responsible peoples, we actually clean up our messes. Good night.